So this is kind of the second part of the previous bonus. We've set up Google Analytics. We're also going to set up Facebook Pixel. Both are as critical as each other. With Facebook Pixel, Facebook will get to know who's going to your website, for example, and then if you know who's going to your website, you can then use Facebook to target those people as a custom audience. You know, you go to my website, now you're interested in, you might want to know this, blah, blah, blah. So yes, Google Analytics and Facebook Pixel is two of the things that you do on every website to immediately start tracking your visitors. Don't wait. As soon as you're doing your website, get it on. Okay. Now this is very simple. In the Google Analytics, we added a simple plugin which we use to add the Google Analytics code. So if you haven't done already, check that video out and add the plugin, and then we'll do the Facebook Pixel code as well. So here we are where we left off the previous video for Google Analytics with our Google Analytics code in here. I'm not going to repeat the plugin, just pop back and watch that video and you can install that plugin on that one whether or not you use Google Analytics, but please do. So this is our Google Analytics code, and we're now going to do the same with Facebook. So if I pop over to my Facebook, I'm logged in here and I've gone to my Facebook adverts, which is in the drop down list in Facebook. I'm not going to show you how to do that because you'll see my personal Facebook, but it's log into Facebook, and then in the drop down list near your profile at the top of the screen, you can choose Facebook Manager and you come to, or Manage Adverts, which brings you to here. And so under this drop down here, I can go to, actually Pixels is there already. If it wasn't, I can do All Tools and then Pixels. That takes me to my pixels if I had any. If I didn't, it would take you through the process. I've got one here with various bits and pieces. I'm not going to go into the detail of why. However, I do want to find out the code of my pixel. So as I say, if you're creating a pixel from scratch, it will take you through and show you the code. If you've already got one and you need to go back, it's this up here, set up, and it can show you the code itself. So we choose manually install the code yourself, and it shows me, if I scroll down, this here. Okay, that's the copy the entire pixel code and paste it into the website header. I'm going to do exactly what it just says. Go here, click on that box, copy it to clipboard. We then switch back to our site, and it needs to go into the head section, not the footer, the head. Whether it's above or below Google Analytics doesn't matter, so I'm going to click there at the bottom of the Google Analytics, a couple of blank lines, and Control V, paste. So we now have our Google Analytics there and our Facebook pixel code there. And we save changes and boom, that's it. We now have Facebook pixel code on our site along with Google Analytics if you did it in that order. Now if you're using Google Chrome, there's actually a nice little extension which I'm going to show you to get, where you can verify your Facebook pixel is actually working. If you go to the menu up here and choose More Tools and then Extensions, okay, it shows you the extensions you've got, and if you scroll down you can go to Get More Extensions and then search the store. So I'm going to search for Facebook Pixel Helper. Click. There it is, Facebook Pixel Helper, and I add to Chrome and I add extensions. So that's free. It's just an additional one. So Facebook Pixel Helper has been added to Chrome. Use this extension by clicking on this icon. Manage your extensions by clicking extensions in the tools menu. So if I now go back to our site, you'll see we've now got a button here, which if we click on it, no pixels yet found, so it's not found it yet. Actually, no, I'm in the back end, aren't I? Let me go to the front end and refresh. Now you can see a little green one has appeared because it's found the pixel. When I'm in the admin dashboard, it doesn't find the pixel, quite rightly. We're now in the front end. If I click on there, one pixel found, there's the pixel ID and various bits of information about when it was called and so on. So my pixel is now firing back and Facebook will start collecting it. And it will start going into all my activity in my Facebook Advert Manager. That's it.